today we are going to make a cupcake. So to make the origami cupcake, we should have a square shape sheet in any color, which color you want, you can take it. So first thing, we have to fold it in half diagonally so that it create a triangle shape. Just go ahead and do that, crease it in, and then you have to unfold it. And repeat the same thing in the opposite direction, but this time you don't have to fold down all the way. You are just going to do the little pinch right at the center, and that way when you open it up, you still have that center cross right there. To fold this bottom tip to that center cross, you are just going to fold it straight up and crease it in. And next you have to take this bottom tip and you have to fold it down to the bottom side. So just fold it straight down and crease it in. Then take this top side and fold it along the bottom side as well. Fold it straight down and crease it in. After that, you have to unfold this two fold that you just created, and then you have to take the entire things and fold it in half diagonally again. So just like this. Next, take this bottom crease and fold it down, and then you are just going to fold the next one up, the other one down, and the other one up. So essentially we just did a little zigzag accordion fold type thing. After that, we are going to flip the cupcake around, and we are going to take this side and we are just going to fold it like this straight across. So if you see from the other side, there is a little crease right here. So that line you are just going to fold it straight down and crease it in. And then of course repeat the same thing on the other side. So fold it over, align it so that it's horizontal, and crease it in. Now we have to flip it around, and now we are going to make the little cream, the whipped cream on top. So what you have to do is you want to fold this down just little bit, and we are going to do a bunch of zigzag fold. We have to fold it back, and then we will fold it back forward. So it has this little zigzag here, and then I am going to fold it back end, then fold it immediately back forward, so that way you have the little layer and the little cream on top. Now you can see the cupcake shape is there fully. So one thing I will tell to you, you have to take the gum and paste it in the open areas, same exactly which how I am doing. Paste it perfectly and make it stick all the areas where you put the gum. Same thing you have to apply on the top. You have to paste all the areas where you need to put the gum. Now you make it again this all the shape. Flip over and paste the gum also here. And in back you have these two flaps that you can open up and make the cupcake stand upright like this. And I'm going to grab some marker and I'm going to decorate it, and that is how you can make the origami cupcake. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy making this origami cupcake. If you would like to learn more, be sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notification to be alerted of new videos when they come out.